So hello, this is an additional tutorial for the flat spiral. Okay, so this here is masked and I extract now the flat band and make sure that the division here is set to 0 when you extract it. And so here you can control the height. This is the radius of your round tube, maybe like this. So I extract this here, and now again we only need the top faces. So we have to use the cell mask. So I mask this here and the inner one. And then I use the hide tool and hide this, the bottom, and this. And now I delete here at the top, I delete the faces. So you see here there's a rest of mask, so I clear the mask. And now I use the mask, extract it, and use here the same height so that it's a square like this here. Okay, and the next thing is press extract. And now here in the topology menu it's possible to use here subdivisions. So press here subdivide and you see now it becomes a circled tube. So like this. And with the operations menu you can use the inflate slider to create here your radius like you want. So that's it. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.